Starting around 30 September 2023, HEX truly is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which certainly basically is genuinely huge, which is very critical. HEX generally has a sort of complete market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517 in every practical sense, especially large way, which is genuinely huge. This in every way that really matters makes HEX truly positioning at 206 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense explicitly is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX certainly all things considered be in every way that really matters worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Is HEX in every way that really matters kind of wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely huge? Will HEX cost fundamentally outperform its untouched certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future incredibly. HEX value expectation 2023, as per the HEX figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense explicitly cross a normal value level of $0.007, the normal kind of least value worth of HEX toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to really be $0.007 in an extremely large manner. Besides, HEX can generally arrive at a by and large kind of greatest value level of $0.007, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. HEX value figure August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX truly is for the most part anticipated to really arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.006 and a by and large least of $0.005 in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. HEX value figure September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX sort of is anticipated to in every practical sense explicitly arrive at an especially for the most part normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a decently in every way that really matters limit of $0.006 and an exceptionally sort of least of $0.006 incredibly. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, fundamentally further appearance how besides HEX can basically arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.006, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. HEX value gauge November 2023, the entirely all plans and purposes normal cost of HEX could essentially go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023 in a decently most certainly significant manner. HEX could sort of truly be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0.007, with the genuinely sort of least expected cost of $0.006 in a truly significant manner and a for the most part significant manner. HEX value gauge December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at an extremely least worth of $0.007, while the by and large greatest estimated cost truly is around $0.007, showing that while the exceptionally lovely typical exchanging cost should sort of in a real sense be around $0.006 in a fundamentally significant manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially extremely normal cost for HEX for the most part is truly anticipated to generally in every practical sense reach $0.007 in December 2023, truly further appearance how these by and large are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. HEX most certainly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been really diminished by 4.89% in its truly current worth, which especially basically is very critical. Assuming that we generally for the most part look at the very exceptionally current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, demonstrating the way that besides hex can really arrive at a pretty genuinely greatest value level of $0.007, which in every practical sense truly is genuinely huge. Hex basically is confronting an all things considered tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The hex by and large is down to nearly 39.39% in the essentially fundamentally most recent 7 days, demonstrating the way that hex could in every practical sense be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $0.007 with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. The coin in every practical sense sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for especially past really couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for commonly yet we don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment. Exhibiting how this for the most part certainly makes hex kind of most certainly positioning at 206 in the digital money market, which explicitly in a real sense is genuinely critical. Inside the especially in every way that really matters, most recent 1 month, the cost of hex especially diminished by 92.698%. Wiping out an astounding exceptionally normal amount of $0.072 from its truly current worth in a very huge manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin for the most part sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a by and large great, essentially explicitly purchase a valuable open door for kind of speedy venture, or so they in a real sense thought, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change for the most part truly is near 77.60%. And the cost in a real sense flowed from a truly least genuinely normal cost of $0.024 to extremely greatest sort of normal cost of $0.027 in the by and large beyond 90 days, exceptionally further appearance, how might hex cost outperform its unequaled sort of high in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Hex is somewhere near 69.20% with the in every practical sense greatest decently really normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.023 and the especially least especially normal cost of in a real sense fundamentally was around $0.021 and lovely beyond 4 months, or so they generally thought. Hex value gauge 2023 facts what will generally be hex certainly worth in 2023, or so they basically thought amazingly. The hex cost really is estimated to basically in every practical sense arrive at a greatest degree of $0.007 with quite least cost of $0.007 toward the finish of 2023 in an extremely large manner. Hexes explicitly have a future, which certainly is genuinely critical. As far as cost, hex most certainly has an exceptional pretty potential to basically arrive at new levels in a fundamentally significant manner basically. It by and large certainly is gauged that hex will increment in esteem, so the hex explicitly is down to nearly 39.39% in the especially most recent 7 days, demonstrating the way that hex could explicitly generally be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0.